Good morning, cadets. Today we are going to discuss the questions in writing section, and we have been discussing the sample question paper of CBSE board for the class 12th. So let us discuss the questions in writing section. There are 12 questions and you have to attempt 10 questions. So at the beginning, the questions are on the short composition, and you are aware notice writing and classified advertisement are there in short composition and letter to the editor, and article writing is there in the long composition. So at the beginning the questions are on the short composition. So let us discuss the questions. Question number 3. Answer any 4 out of the 5 questions given with reference to the context below. So in short composition, you have 4 questions. So these are an option. So 5 questions will be given and you have to answer 4 questions. The president of RWA Chelvur Heights, Kozhikode, has to put up a notice to inform residents about a power cut for their residential area. Question number 19. Select the appropriate title for the notice. A. Choosing own power cuts. B. Scheduled power cut. C. The need to save power. And D. Power and resident safety. Now you have to find out which will be the most appropriate. Now here at first you try to understand the question. You have to put up a notice to inform about a power cut. So here the information, yes, the title has to be related to power cut. Now the need to save power cut, what is it? You have to put up a notice to inform residents about a power cut. So choosing own power cuts, not very appropriate. The need to save power, power and resident safety, it looks like the titles of the essays. But the right one, which will convey what this notice wants to convey, what the president of RWA Chelur Heights of Kozhikode wants to convey, is about scheduled power cut. So the most appropriate title for the notice will be scheduled power cut. It will be scheduled power. Let's discuss the second question. Question number 20. Select the option that lists the most accurate opening for this notice. So what will be the opening statement in the case of notice? So how you can start the notice? The language that is used there, very formal language that is used there. Greetings and attention please to one and all in Chelur Heights. This notice is written to share some news with you all about. This is to inform all the residents of Chelur Heights about. I wish to share with all officials of RWA Chelur Heights that. So what will be the opening statement which will be the most accurate? So here the most accurate will be, this is to inform all the residents of Chelur Heights about. This is to inform. So this will be the right opening statement. This is to inform. Let's take up question number 21. Select the option with the information points to be included in the body of the notice. Opinion about regular power cuts, resolution for power cuts. So here the option with the information points to be included in the body. So what are the points which you can include in the body of the notice? So we have seen the question on the opening statement. Now here the points that should be included in the body of the notice. Opinion about regular power cuts, resolution for power cuts, reason for the power cut, timings of the power cut, complaint against regular power cuts, date of the power cut. So what all, I mean here opinion. See here, there's no need for you to express your opinion here, because what you are doing is not an article, but what you are pointing out is about the scheduled power cut which is there. So it is about that. So if it is about that, then definitely date of the power cut, that will be the right thing. But along with that, what else you can write? Opinion, yes, you cannot give opinion about regular power cuts. Then resolution for power cut, yes, you resolve that power. So here, that also you need not write that. Then reason for the power cut, yes, scheduled power cut is there. And what is the reason for the power cut? Yes, that you can mention about that. And then timings of the power cut, very important. Date, timing, and reason for the power cut. These are all very important because you are going to mention about the scheduled power cut which is going to be there. And in the case of scheduled power cut, what is very much important is reason for the power cut, timings of the power cut, and date of the power cut. And the right answer is a D, which includes third, fourth, and sixth point. Okay, let's go to question number 22. Would this notice reflect the name of the RWA? Remember that RWA, yes, that is important one because the issuing body, yes, is RWA. Yes, because it is the issuing body. Yes, it is the issuing body. No, because it is understood through the signature. Yes, because it makes informal. No, because the title makes it clear. See, remember here, in the case of issuing body, in the case of notice, issuing body is a very, very important. Ah, ah, hello. ಬಂದ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಬಸ್ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೀನೇ ಬರ್ತೀರ ಆಯ್ತು ನಾನು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ನೋಡು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಗೇಟಿಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಗೇಟಿಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಓಕೆ So RWA is very, very important because It's a issuing body is the organization, and resident welfare association. So in the case of issuing body, yes, it has to be there in the case of notice. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 23. Select the appropriate conclusion for this notice. Stay informed, collaboration solicited, stay prepared, inconvenience regretted. So here in the case of question number 23, what will be the appropriate conclusion? See, we have seen about the opening statement, how it has to be, this is to inform. Now here in the case of body, what all points we can include? And here the issuing body or the issuing organization, see, A is the right answer in the case of question number 22 because that is the issuing body, Resident Welfare Association. And the appropriate conclusion, because there is going to be inconvenience, so definitely D is the right answer, inconvenience regretted. So there were 5 questions and you have to attempt 4 questions in the case of short compositions. Now let us move on to the long composition and answer any 6 of the 7 questions. So there will be 7 questions and you have to attempt only 6 questions. So let's go to this. Now here, the first one. Venu is a member of Coexistence, a school club that actively promotes animal rights and care. He has to write an article emphasizing the need for prevention of cruelty to animals and peaceful coexistence between animals and human beings. So in the case of long composition, you have questions on article writing and later to the editor. So here question number 24, that is on article writing. So at first you try to understand. So Venu is a member of a school club. And what is it aimed at? It is promoting animal rights and care. So he has to write an article emphasizing the need, stressing the need for prevention of cruelty to animals and peaceful coexistence between animals and human beings. So select the option that lists an appropriate title for Venu's article. So here, what would be the right title? What would be the appropriate title? Man and animal struggle to coexist. The rehabilitation and conservation of species. Remodeling the future by peaceful coexistence. Smart moves, survival of the fittest. And when you look at these three, a man and animal struggle to coexist. See, it doesn't sound good, so you can eliminate that. Then the rehabilitation and conservation of species, that also doesn't point out. See here, stressing the need for prevention. So for peaceful coexistence, remodeling the future by peaceful coexistence, smart move, survival of the. So right answer will be here, appropriate one in the case of question 24. That will be C, remodeling the future by peaceful coexistence. So thinking about the future, then what is required is peaceful coexistence, which is very much clearly given there. Prevention of cruelty and peaceful coexistence between animals and human beings. It is very, very clearly given there. The need for. So remodeling the future. So need for then peaceful coexistence. That is what is given here. So keeping that in mind, so that will be the most appropriate one. Yes. So C will be the right answer. Let's move on to question number 25. Which option 1 to 4 should Venu choose to elaborate on reasons for cruelty to animals? So there are 4 options which have been given, and the reasons for cruelty to animals. Over cruelty towards animals, first option. Materialism, poaching, greed, using pet and wild animals for work to earn money. Wild animals, cruelty towards animals, pet animals, malicious intent and neglect, government policies, NGOs and animal shelters. So the second option doesn't appear to be. Let's go to the third and fourth option and let's see here. Third and fourth option. Increasing abuse, lack of compassion. So here, okay, compassion is not there, increasing abuse, poaching, habitat destruction, greed, materialistic gains, harm to environment. Then here in the case of fourth one, that's option D, displaced emotions, lack of compassion, malicious intent, poaching, habitat destruction, prejudices, neglect, starvation, insufficient health care, abandonment. So here you have to find out the option. Yes, you have to find out the option which will find the reasons for cruelty to animals. So why we are cruel to animals? So why we are cruel towards animals? So here the right answer is option 4, that is D. So displaced emotions, lack of compassion, malicious intent, neglect, so a poaching, habitat destruction, prejudices, starvation, so neglect, insufficient health care, abandonment, and that is the reason why there is cruelty towards animals. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So this for the visually impaired candidates, this is not for you. So you need not bother about this particular question and you can move on to the next question. Question number 26. Which option would help Venu with the appropriate organization of relevant ideas for this article? So which option would help Venu with the appropriate organization for of relevant ideas for this article? Expressing concern about several cases of cruelty to animals, exploring the reasons, stating the effects, providing suggestions for peaceful coexistence, presenting a conclusion outlook, stating the effects of cruelty to animals, presenting a concluding viewpoint. Presenting a concluding viewpoint, definitely it will not be there, okay, in the body this one, so it is quite clear, you can eliminate that. Providing suggestions, so actually that should come towards the end, providing suggestions, then concluding viewpoint, conclusive, yes. So here where it would appear, that's what, see here, see, let's see here, introducing the purpose of the article, information about policies and laws for animal protection, exploring the reasons for the laws, providing suggestions. So it should come towards the end and it is presenting a pledge for awareness. Okay. And exploring the laws for animal protection, questioning the efficacy of the laws, providing suggestions for improvement in the behavior towards animals. Well, it doesn't sound to be right one, and right one will be A because here you see presenting a conclusive outlook. So you are concluding that concluding remark is there. Before that, you are providing suggestions. That is also right. Then here, before that, expressing concern about several cases of cruelty to animals, exploring the reasons for that, and stating the effects. And so this appears to be the right one. So appropriate organization of relevant ideas. So it has been organized properly. So here in the case of question number 26, the right answer is A. Let's go to the next question, question number 27. Which suggestions from those given below would be appropriate for Venu's article? Reducing human-wildlife conflict, banning habitat destruction, creating more wildlife sanctuaries, protecting the environment, penalizing poachers, strengthening execution of animal rights laws, increasing awareness sounds to be right, reducing human wildlife conflict. It's, see, they are the points which have been given there, human wildlife conflict, yes, reducing that. So here, when you look at all these, the most, see, whatever the points that have been provided there in the question itself, you have to look at that and C is the right one, C is the most appropriate one. So let's move on to the next question. That's question number 28. Read a sentence from Venu's article draft and help him complete by selecting the most appropriate option. As animals find their natural habitat shrinking daily, the interactions with humans keep rising, often to the one of, of the humans and with dash for the animals. So one joy, dangerous outcomes, thrill, lethal consequences, irritation, minimal effects, and fear, disastrous results. So the right answer here, as animals find their natural habitat shrinking daily, the interactions with humans keep rising, often to the fear of the humans and with disastrous results. for the animals. So the right answer is D. Let's go to question number 29. Which quote should Venu use to summarize the central idea of this article? So here the quotation which would sum up or which would summarize the central idea of his article. Okay, let's look at these yes statements. Quotes: animals are such agreeable friends. They ask no questions. They pass no criticisms. Not right way. So the greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Yes, animals are treated. It's a moral progress. I think that sounds better. A tiger may pray, "Oh Lord, how wicked are these men who do not come and place themselves before me to be eaten. They are breaking your law." Swami Vivekananda doesn't sound to be right one here. So, what summarizes the central idea of this article, that's the greatness of a nation or moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. So, how we treat the animals, that is very, very important. Not the last one. Clearly, animals know more than we think. That's that you can eliminate because nowhere it states about that. So let's go to last question which is there on the article. Read the following options for the self checklist for this article. Select the option that includes the most appropriate self checklist for this article. Okay. My article contains first person address to the audience as title, content that lists the topical points, opinions of stakeholders as byline, personal observations, designation, and date at the end. An eye-catching title that is thematically related. So eye-catching title, yeah, it should be there, and that should be thematically related. Sounds better. Content that offers a balanced view of the issue. Very good. Input for the cause and effect and suggestions. A conclusion including personal observations. A byline. So that conclusion that is there. It sounds right one. Here a thoughtful quote as title. Yes, it can, but quote as title, that is not appropriate. Let's see a relevant data and byline as title. Byline as title, okay, it doesn't sound to be right. Content that analyzes pros and cons, okay, fine. Content that offers a balanced view of the issue, right one. Then address of the writer, not in the middle, will not use that. So eliminate that. Name of the publishing body, not required at all there. In the case of article, they write in the middle. So eliminate third and fourth option. So the right option is yes, option 2, that is here B, that is the right option. Eye-catching title, then content balanced view of the issue which is given there, then cause effect, then suggestions have been provided, and it all appears that article yes includes everything what an article should include. So look at all these very important points. Okay, with this we'll conclude our session today, which was there on the writing skills. Thank you. Goodbye.